Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how you can screen mirror your smartphone to your MI smart TV. Okay, for example, now I have my ROG phone. This one is the Android phone. First of all, you need to scroll your menu bar on the list here, and you're going to find the word case. So you will find this logo, case screen or mirror screen. It will use the different name depend on your smartphone, and some smartphone this function may not available, so you can just keep in mind for that information and keep this video for your reference. If you find the case screen or mirror screen like this, that means your smartphone can catch your screen or mirror screen to the TV. First of all, just press that button, and then you will see your TV name available here. Now I find two of my TV, my LG TV and the MI TV. So I select my MI TV, and now it's connect to the MI TV. You will see my smartphone screen on the TV. Okay, so now I'm trying to play game Mobile Legend. Okay, and the screen just a bit slower than we play on phone. And now try to find ones with the jungle. Okay, you can compare the screen with the smartphone and the TV. Okay, now you can see the slow appear on the TV screen. Okay, and now let's play video on YouTube. For example, I'm going to find my channel and play a video. Okay, and the sound is come from the TV, and when you play it in full screen, it will show up the full screen view, and when you put it to the vertical screen, it will show up the vertical view. Okay, and now when I lock the screen, you will see my fingerprint on the TV. And when I unlock the screen, okay, you will see this one. And to disconnect the mirror screen, you just go to the same button, press it, and now select your MI TV again, and you will see the word disconnect on here. Just press disconnect, and now you back to your TV home screen. Okay, and that's it. That is all for today's video of how you can mirror your Android smartphone to your MI smart TV screen. And now thanks for your time watching this short video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.